If you have accidentally deleted a campaign and are now wondering how to get it back, there is one important thing you need to understand right away. In Google Ads, deleted campaigns cannot be fully restored once they are permanently removed. However, there is still a way to recover your work by reusing the previous settings. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to do that step by step. This is especially useful for beginners who might delete a campaign by mistake and think all their data is gone. First, log into your Google Ads account and go to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Campaigns. Now, by default, you will only see active or paused campaigns. To find your deleted campaign, look for the filter option at the top and change the status filter to include removed. Once you apply this filter, you will be able to see campaigns that were previously deleted. This is the key step that many beginners miss. Even though the campaign is removed, its data is still visible for reference. Next, click on the deleted campaign to open it. You won't be able to enable it again, but you can view all the details, such as targeting, budget, keywords, and ad copies. Now, open a new tab and create a new campaign. When setting up this new campaign, manually copy the important settings from the deleted one. This includes location targeting, bidding strategy, audience settings, and keywords. It may take a few extra minutes, but this is currently the only reliable way to restore a deleted campaign. Another useful tip is to check if you have any saved drafts or previously duplicated campaigns. Sometimes advertisers create drafts before publishing, and those can be reused instead of starting from scratch. Also, if you had enabled auto-applied recommendations, some of your previous configurations might still be suggested by Google, which can speed up the setup process. Before publishing your new campaign, double-check all settings carefully. Make sure your budget, targeting, and ad creatives are correct. This is a good opportunity to improve your campaign instead of just copying everything exactly as it was. Once everything looks good, publish your campaign and monitor its performance. In simple terms, while you cannot directly restore a deleted campaign in Google Ads, you can still recover all its important data and recreate it manually. The key is knowing where to find removed campaigns and how to reuse their settings effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay connected for more beginner-friendly Google Ads guides that help you fix problems quickly and run better campaigns.